Hello beautiful people out there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for coming back. Today we're going to make this beautiful hair mask, or we call deep conditioner for fast hair growth. You can make it at home without spending any penny. So you will need mayonnaise, honey, and avocado. It depends on how much hair you have. I use 2 avocado to medium, and then 1 egg. So eggs is really good for healthier hair. Eggs are nutrition rich in superfood like vitamin A, vitamin E, and biotin. Biotin is really essential for our hair, and also honey is really good to moisturize. Great moisturizer for hair, is smoothing the hair follicle, add shiny to dull hair, add moisture to dry hair. So it's really beneficial. Your hair get really soft and shiny if you use this method like once or 2 times a month. I use like every 2 weeks, so my hair is really soft, and people think my hair is actually is permit, but when I permit my hair I big chopping and I don't have any more relaxed hair. So I had my gel yesterday. My hair I style with the gel. I'm just still waiting with the water so I can soften, and then need a bit Sprite water to wet as well. That way the deep condition, the mask is going to be in properly. So like I said, avocado, we all know avocado is really great moisture for hair, because I didn't put any oil as well when I prepare, as you see, because avocado got a lot of oil inside. If you haven't seen avocado oil I made at home with from 5 medium avocado, how much oil I made, guys, check out that video. I'm going to put link below. And avocado is really good to repair strength of your hair. A study found out that mineral like those in avocado oil can help seal cuticle cells, which is can prevent hair from breakage. So I'm just going to apply this beautiful deep condition or hair mask, you can call. It's really good. My hair come back from breakage. As you can see, I have also color my hair, which is you need to really take care of. If you have color like me, my hair is, I dye my hair like 4 months ago. As you can see, my hair like grow natural from the roots. You can see like quite a lot. If you follow me my video, you will see what I use and what kind of oil I use. I have my hair growth oil as well. I link below. And you know what I'm using. If you want to grab, the link is below, and keep this one for the next an hour to 45 minutes if you have time. I do keep up to 2 hours. I just wrap it, clean, filming, clean around, prepare food or whatever I do, and then I wash it out. You will thank me later. So if you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to give the thumb up, subscribe to my channel if you are new. If you are family already, please like this video and share with your friend. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.